coming through. This is amazing. I'm with all the bikes, boys. Look, I made it. Yeah, lads. Morning, boys. I should have just say morning, patrons, because this video is going to be a patron only video. So first of all, let me just say thank you to everyone who signed up straight away. It means a world to me how quickly you guys done it. Some guys did it in like minutes, and thank you very much. I know it's not easy to part with money and stuff like that, especially, you know, when there's no sort of previous experience to what it is and what you get your money's worth. But I promise you, I'm going to put a lot of effort into this. I'm really a sympathetic person, so when it comes to, you know, giving money every month, I'm going to do my absolute hardest just to make that reasonable and worth it. So thank you so much. Now this video is just going to be a Patreon only video. I may upload it on YouTube in the future, a little bit in the future, just like a little teaser video sort of thing. But there is an anti-bullying scheme today, and it's a convoy. It's a convoy for someone who's being bullied at school, in high school, and it's just a convoy to support him in a way. And you know, I've been a victim of bullying as well. Maybe not that severe, but you know, we all get it a little bit. Even when I started YouTube, I was a victim to it as well. And then a lot recently with the whole Xavier thing, it's been horrible. What people can say and how people can say it so freely, it's absolutely disgusting. So I've seen this thing on Facebook today. Of course I'm going to go and support it because I'm lucky enough that I can deal with it myself, and I don't really need support through this sort of thing like this. But some people aren't so fortunate. So we've got Jesse on board, we've got Wesley on board. I've got the GoPro out. We're going to stick the GoPro all over the car. I don't know how many cars are going, but it should be fun to do a little vlog on this camera, and also I'm going to chuck in some sort of driving shots and things like that with the GoPro on the car. So we'll see you at Jesse's boys in a few seconds. Has anyone got a spare Vauxhall badge lemon for the day? What's this? Bloody hell. This is how we look good. It's the only way we look good. Flame life burning my bumper. It's cold now, isn't it? Yeah. It's properly winter here, isn't it? Jesse's got his bird, Wes got his kid, and I'm on my own. I'm on my own, as per usual. Oh, it's well cute. Look at him. Where's he gone? Where's he gone? Where's he gone? Where's he gone? Oh, hello! Oh, don't be drinking that hot chocolate, buddy. Oh my god. He's gorgeous.
Alright, sweet. I'll see you in a bit.
Whose is he?
He's Dan's.
Oh.
You stay there.
Oh my god. So just got me a fucking hot chocolate. As soon as I get it, the bastard say, oh yeah, we're going. So, God's sake. I've not set up the GoPro. I've not set up the GoPro, and I need fuel as well. Oh my god, I hate being so unorganised. So we're mid-traffic. I got the GoPro set up. I had to stop in the middle of this road and set it up. I don't know why the hell we're stuck. Are we actually stuck somewhere? I think someone's broken down. So we pulled in here. No idea why. I was looking good there, like that shot. Boom. Shut up! Shut up! Yeah. We're just waiting here a minute. Right, let's go and have a gander what's going on, because I have no idea what's going on. We're just chilling here. Apparently we're waiting, I don't know what we're waiting for. Is this us, is it? Naughty boy.
scared.
I know, see it, lad. What?
Having some fun.
Was it skitting all over the place? Yeah, I looked in my rearview mirror and I was seeing just leaves and stones. I was like, ah. Yeah, literally
These look so good.
put my foot down, it was just like
Going.
yeah, it was going. Did it look like it were going?
Yeah.
Did it? Yeah. Did well to catch it, to be fair with you. Yeah, it's back, yeah.
It looked quite good to be fair. Back into it.
Yeah, it felt good, lad.
Anyway, you get the idea.
Did you see all these just like stopping traffic and shit?
Yeah, man. Loved it.
Are you allowed to do that?
I loved it anyway. Yeah, I was like, I'm going through like that.
Yeah. That's awesome. That's amazing. Is she in our convoy? That's amazing.
What? Into a bush. Go on, Paul. Just have a piss. No one cares.
What we'll have to add, large van, bikes, all the cars, then the vans, then me. So once the vans have all gone through and the last white van's gone through, then it's gone.
We'll try and keep it flowing.
Yeah.
And between all the bands we're all on CB anyway, so we're going to try and keep it.
All the bikes who are going to do junctions, and we have them just put the hazards on.
Yeah,
Because
we've all got them on.
that's fine. It just identifies it.
That's
easier
a
than-
school trip. Yeah.
I know, so do I. Lad.
Hazards.
Yeah, we've all got our hazards on.
Some rules, eh?
There's what?
Rules.
The rules. Hang on, where's my notepad? Where's my notepad? We're at the front now with the bikes. With the bike boys. Yeah, buddy. Evos and bikes coming through. This is amazing. I'm with all the bikes, boys. Mum, I made it. Like a little kid, man. This is hilarious. We got like big vans at the start of the convoys, big vans at the back of the convoy with all lights saying, watch the fuck out. We just got bikes flying around. It's a lot more fun now at the front. Look at this. Ah. Lads, I want a bike. Bikes are so fun. Like they're just loving life. Look at the big vans. It's so much fun. Got some more coming through, yeah, buddies. I feel like I'm one of the boys now. Look, they just don't care. Oh wait, where are the bikes? Oh, there's some there. He comes up and he goes, I feel a little bit naughty. Just a little bit, yeah. I'm waiting for the bikes. I feel locked on the bikes. I feel like the bikes are our guardian angels. They know where we're going and they can stop anyone. Well, we're here. Look at all the vans. My brakes are squeaking like mad. Look at the vans. So we're at the meeting point. This thing's cool. Evo, we got the cars, got the bikes. The guys actually over there. He likes Wes's Astra the best for some reason. Not sure why, but I think someone wants me to take him out in the Evo, so we're going to take the little lad out in the Evo. He's over there at the minute, but we've got free brew. Oh yeah, does anyone want a brew? Does anyone want a coffee or anything? Nah. It's going to be hot though. I've only got powder in it, milk powder, so it's going to burn my mouth, this thing. But oh, he's on one of the bikes at the minute. But been a bit stressful getting here, hasn't it, Jesse? It's been a little bit stressful getting here, but we've had this all morning. Oh, the shots there. Met some new fans there. They wanted to picture me. They didn't even know who I was.
Can we have an autograph? Watch your YouTube.
They didn't know who I was. Right, so we're gonna get a big picture. Come on, Court, get in the picture. You're here, it means you're taking part.
I've not got face on.
You've not got my face on.
I'm not.
Not got my face on.
Just having a car lot.